In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate the Zoom into this Eventin plugin so that you can host the virtual events or the virtual seminars on your WordPress website. So if you are interested, then without further ado, let's get started now. So the first thing that you want to do is to ensure that you have the Pro version of Eventin installed on your WordPress website. Then from here, you will have to go to this settings option here, and once you will go to this settings option, you will have to go to this integrations options, and in the integrations option you will have to enable this Zoom option, and then in the Zoom option you will have to insert the client ID and the client secret key. And once you will insert that, then you can click on this connect. Now in order to get this client ID and client secret key, what you will have to do is to go to the Zoom, or what you can do is to google.com and search for Zoom developer account. Then in here you will see this option developer account. I want to tell you something about this developer account, and that is the developer account is not a free account. You may get a free trial, but after the free trial you will have to pay for this service that you want to use on your WordPress website. So for that you can look into Zoom manage plans option here. So in order to create this client ID and client secret key, what you will have to do is to go to Zoom Marketplace. There it is, Zoom App Marketplace. Click on that. So once you will go there, you will see this option sign up or sign in. If you are already signed up on Zoom, you can create that account in order to sign in there. But if you don't have an account on Zoom, you will have to create an account there and then you can sign in. Let me just sign into my Zoom account. And here you can see that I am already signed into my Zoom developer account. And here where it says develop, you can click on this build app button here. Then you will have to click on this create, and here you can read it says generate your OAuth client ID and secret. So you can click on this create button here. You can either choose account level app or user manager app, give it an app name, and then click on the create button. Once you will click on the create button, just to mention again, you need a premium account or you need to have a premium plan for the Zoom in order to create these client ID and client secret key. So once you will click on this create button here, you can get the client ID and client secret key from here. Just copy those details from there. Then go to this settings page in your WordPress website. Insert the client ID here and then insert the client secret here, and then click on this connect, and the connection will get established. Then click on save changes, and in this way Zoom will get integrated in your website. Now in order to enable the Zoom in your events, what you will have to do is to go to the events option here. For whichever event you want to make it virtual event or the virtual seminar, you can click on this edit option there. Or actually you will see this option that says Zoom. So click on this Zoom option here, and then in here you will see these two options, synchronization with Zoom or add new. You can click on this add new button right here. Then from here you will have to insert the title for the event or your seminar. You can insert the title here, the description of your event here. Here you will write the description. And here you can create some categories for the event, the tags for the events. You can also assign a featured image for your event. And then in here you have some general settings. So in the general settings you have this meeting type, whether it's webinar, requires webinar plans. So if it is a webinar, you will have to get the webinar plan in your Zoom account, or if it's a meeting, you will have to choose the meeting here. These options will change based on the account type that you have. So here you will have to insert the meeting ID, but by default the meeting ID will be generated automatically. And then in here you can choose the meeting host. You can create the meeting host for this thing, and then you will have to create a password. You can leave this blank as well if you want to auto generate the password. Then here are the time settings. You can pick a date, then you can choose the time zone, and then you can enter the duration. So I'll choose the 10-minute here. Then you will go to this options tabs, and in the options tab you can see some additional options, such as if you want the attendees to authenticate their account before they join, you can enable this option. If you want to host the videos, auto on or off host videos, you can open this panel here. If you want the participants or panelists video, you can open this option from here. If you want to get the recording, you can get the recording from local or cloud option here. And then if you want to enable the waiting room, you can enable the waiting room, and then there are some other options. You can go through these options by yourself. Once done, click on this publish button here, and with that you can create your virtual events using this Eventin plugin. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you have learned something new in this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell icon to always get the latest video updates. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.